the changes at Amazon competing with the Walmart and other retail companies, it took decades. The changes that occurred with Tesla, with the GM, it took a decade and a half. The last change with Uber took 7 years. So to answer your question very specifically, it's going to occur quicker than people think. And that's why the market is having trouble reading it. They know that if somebody misses a market transition, if one of their peers, particularly somebody from outside their traditional competition, moves with a different business model, it can take them a long time to recover, and the person who moves first with the new innovation and technology can gain huge market share very rapidly. So it's not going to show up in the next quarter, but it will show in the next 1 to 2 years.
John, Etsy is still around. Best Buy is still around. Amazon doesn't bat 1,000. So as an investor, how do you accurately assess the risk from an Amazon moving into your category and not panic?
Well, I think panic never does any good. My parents are doctors. They always taught me, no, the tougher the situation, the calmer you have to get. And then you've got to deal with the market transition. If you're focusing on a competitor, you're looking at your rearview mirror. You've got to focus on what's in front of you, what is the disruption, and you either disrupt or you're going to get disrupted. And this doesn't mean that it won't raise all boats with technology, but if companies don't think about disrupting themselves, if they don't have the courage to make the change. So when I think about investments, I think about my 14 startup companies, and I know that some of them won't make it, but I look for CEOs who are going to disrupt. I look for the market and technology transitions they're focused on, and I love to teach that, and I actually wrote a book about it as well.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.